Azul, a peaceful game about placing beautiful tiles and quietly ruining the plans of everyone at the table. Let's talk about it. Azul is a tile drafting strategy game inspired by Portuguese mosaics. You take colorful tiles from factories and place them on your board to build a decorative wall. It looks relaxing. It's not. Each round, tiles are placed on small factory displays. On your turn, you choose one color and take all tiles of that color. Everything else moves to the middle, which means every choice changes the board for everyone. You fill rows on your board. When a row is complete, the rest go there, which means regret. Your opponents taking tiles from the factories and then accidentally leave you 8 in the middle. Azul works because every decision matters. Take the tiles you need or block someone else, or both. Sometimes the best move is ruining someone else's turns. Playing Azul feels calm until the table realizes what you're doing. This is the only game where beautiful tiles create ugly emotions. The game ends when someone completes a row on their wall. This is when you will know if you are a strategic genius or someone placing tiles like a baboon. The components are fantastic. These tiles feel amazing. Rules take 5 minutes to learn, but the decisions stay interesting. It works with board game veterans and people who normally hate board games. It's like stacking firewood. Looks simple until someone drops the whole pile, and now it's your problem. If you hate negative points, Azul will punish you. Sometimes a single bad turn destroys your round. Azul gets 7.5 carefully placed tiles out of 10. It's simple enough, it's elegant, and it quietly turns friends into rivals. If you want deep strategy, this is for you. If you want to put your brains off, play King of Tokyo instead. Alright, if you like this review, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more honest board game review, and tell me in the comment, do you play Azul to win or to ruin someone else's turn? See you next time.